Hey there. Good morning. It's a brisk one, right around just below 40. I say 38 degrees or so. Um, Decided to do early morning sunrise drone stuff. Um, Left the my cameras at home and just took the drone out today. Decided that I'd been out in the area north and west of Lansing, a town called Riley, and I had passed by this really cool looking barn. Had a single, I think it's a oak tree or maple tree in it, in front of it, and it just looks super cool to me. And they have not harvested the field around the barn yet, so all of the corn is still here. And I came by last week and was like, oh, I got to check that out. I got to go back. And I've been meaning to come back all week long. And I finally made it today. If you take a look at some of these photos and some of the video, I think I nailed it. I think I nailed the timing as far as getting here just before sunrise, maybe 10 or 15 minutes early before that happened. And it really turned out well. And some of the images were really spectacular, I think. When I shoot, especially landscapes, I typically don't do too much when it comes to Photoshop. Um, I'll, take out dust, little, little minor blemishes, little things that happen to pop up into the image, but for the most part, it's pretty straight. I'll adjust contrast, maybe some vibrance, maybe some saturation, but usually it's very minimal, as in these images, because Mother Nature has done all the work for me. So the gear I'm using today is pretty straightforward. Again, no cameras, just went with the drone, DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Works really well. This is just a strobe on top that I purchased from Amazon. FAA requires that if you're going to be flying at nights or just before sunrise or just after sunset, you must have a strobe on your drone that can be seen from 3 statute miles away. So that's what that is. And then this is the controller. Looking to upgrade the controller because I'd like to not have to use my phone. And then this is just my carrying case that I purchased after the drone did not come with it.